back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And if you have been using Taobao for a very long time or you are new to Taobao Chinese shopping app, you need to pay attention to this particular video, most especially if you need high quality product. Let me show you how to find high quality sellers on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. For the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my Taobao Chinese shopping app. So after you open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, then you can start to source and find products from different stores right here. So I will just go straight to the point and show you on how to find a quality product or how you can identify a store that sells quality product. Let's say, for instance, this particular store right here, I want to use it as an example. So we want to buy from this store right here. So what we want to do is to click on the store link, and it's going to open up their sales page right here. What we want to do is to scroll down right here, and then right here you have product quality rating right here. This is a general overall store rating. So if you find any store rating for quality product that is less than 4 points, do not patronize that type of store, which simply means that their quality are not good. But if you have any store that have a 4.3 or 4.5 or 5 general quality product rating, you are good to go. You can buy from that store. So this particular store here, they are qualified as far as quality product is concerned, which means that whatever you buy from their store here, you are getting a high quality product. Lastly, make sure you check on overall store rating right here, which is 4.4, which is a very good deal. So the store here are genuine. So let's take a look at another store right here. So let me take a look at this particular store right here. So I'm going to open up the store link. Now this particular store right here, what we want to do is to simply scroll down right here. So you can see this store here also, they have high quality rating right here, which is 4.7. So these are the things you need to take into consideration, and the overall store rating is 4.4, which means that whatever you buy from their store here, you are buying a quality product from a genuine store. Lastly, go ahead and click on their store icon right here, which allow you to have access to their full store detail. Here you see all their product line. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available product line in their store. However, this depends on the time and the type. However, this depends on the number of the product that was uploaded by different store, as the case may be. It's that simple. Then from the top right here, they still maintain over store all rating here to be 4.4, which is quite good enough. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship, source product, and ship product from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.